Hey everybody, Pat here. In this video, I'm really excited to share a really cool announcement in the Uptics platform, a new user experience for contacts, company deals, and then some other pop-ups in the outbound tab. So let me walk you through it. So when you click on a contact record, whether you're in the inbox or the contacts page, you're gonna notice a completely new UI experience. So what we've tried to do is make it a lot easier to find what you're looking for, and then also more customizable to navigate and stuff. So the first thing you're going to notice is over on the left-hand side, all your options here for contact properties, sequences, tags, deals, subscriptions. You can move these around in whatever order that you want. And then in between, if you're navigating from maybe this person to another person, and you have, say, your sequences and tags open, the system will actually remember that it kept all that open. So dependent on what you want to be focused on is what we're remembering and helping out with. So in addition to that, it's really cool. You can minimize these, and you can navigate into other parts of the system. Before, you could collapse it, go to the right, but it wasn't really that great if you had multiple things open. So now what you can do is you can actually have deals open and collapsed. You can have companies open and collapsed all at the same time. And you're going to notice at the bottom of the screen, all of your records show up. So I'm just going to minimize these. You'll notice here now that you've got all three of those open on the screen. You can navigate anywhere in the platform. This is super helpful when you're in the outbound tab in particular, and you're building sequences, you're building email templates, you're building other task templates. You can actually have those open at the same time too. So, if I'm on the LinkedIn tab here and I want to add a LinkedIn template, for instance, you can also do the same thing here, and you can collapse it and it just goes to the bottom of the screen there. So you can do that for any one of these on the screen as you're creating anything in the outbound tab. You can have anything open, collapse, you can navigate in different parts of the system, and these will show up here. There's a few different things that we'll be adding to this in the future here of being able to have the same record type, several of them open. So you could theoretically have multiple contacts open at the same time at the bottom of the screen. So there'll be some things that we'll add into that experience throughout the course of time. Aside from that, there's a few other things you'll notice here that you still got your job title. You've got the company name here. We've made it a little easier for these icons now. If you want to click and open LinkedIn, it'll just, the profile, it'll just open right away on a click. There's a few other things here with emailing, creating tasks, stuff like that. You're going to notice a completely new user experience, new UI. And I apologize, my computer's running a little bit slow here, but you're going to notice a completely new UI experience for adding email templates. We've tried to condense things down and get it on the screen, so it's a lot easier to navigate and do this kind of stuff. And the same goes for pretty much any of your other records. So you've got your tasks, you've got your emails, you've got notes, all that kind of stuff. You'll notice a completely different experience here. You can grab your templates, you can load those. A lot of really cool things here with this new experience. And the last thing that I want to show you here is we made it a lot easier to create a deal right from the screen as well. So it's just a quick little pop-up, and you can select your pipeline, you can select your stage, you can select a date, an amount, a frequency, all that kind of stuff. You hit save, and then that new deal will get created. Aside from that, that's really the kind of the biggest update here is just really easy navigation, being able to collapse these, move around in the system, work on several things at the same time. If you're creating a lot of different new sequences and updating records and all that kind of stuff. So really cool update. I'm excited about it. I hope you enjoy the new navigation, the new experience. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, explore, have fun, and let's win customers faster. We'll see you soon.